Welcome back, everyone. I'm here to share another feature of Kanoa's Canvas. Now you can precisely scale images in your Canvas mood board. This is great for when you want a design to scale with floor plans. First, make sure you save your floor plan as an image file, then drag and drop it into your Canvas. When you select your floor plan, you'll see two icons below the image. The first icon will allow you to scale your image. You'll be prompted to select your first reference point. My floor plan has a couple of known dimensions called out. I'm going to click on the image to set my first reference point, and then click again to select the second reference point along my dimension callout. Then I'm going to input the scaled length. For example, the scaled dimension needs to be 5 feet and 0 inches. The floor plan will automatically scale to that dimension once I click the scale button. If you're working with a floor plan that doesn't have any dimensions called out, then I usually use a standard doorway as my reference and set the scale to 3 feet 0 inches. The second icon that appears when you select your image allows you to control the opacity of your image and to remove the background. Remember to lock your floor plan by right-clicking on the image and selecting Lock Selection. When an image is locked, the selection window will turn to gray. If you need to adjust or say rotate your image, unlock the selection and the selection window will turn to purple. I've been working on the design of this space and want to add the products into my scaled floor plan. I simply drag over the product drawings into the plan. All of our product drawings are drawn to scale of the actual products, so you can confidently lay out your space. Select the measure icon to check dimensions and verify placement and clearances. The measure tool is also handy when trying to determine the furniture sizes for small spaces. Kanoa's Canvas is the only mood board that allows you to design and space plan with real products to scale, all within one browser system. Check out our other videos to learn more about designing with Kanoa.